Nearly every problem we face is temporary, but these temporary problems cause immediate pain, and we often let this pain drive our choices and actions. For example, someone suffering from the pain of feeling unloved or unappreciated or misunderstood might try to resolve that pain by cheating on their spouse. Or an entrepreneur suffering from the pain of a faltering business might resort to using questionable marketing tactics to try to drive more sales, and so on. This is how you make choices you wouldn't normally make. When you let the problem drive your decision, you make exceptions and justice one's choices to resolve the pain, annoyance, or uncertainty that you're feeling in the moment. But how can we avoid this pitfall and make better long-term choices while still resolving short-term pain? Here's an approach I've been trying recently. See if it works for you. One of the solutions I've been trying out is to let my values drive my choices. That doesn't mean I ignore other aspects of my decision-making process. I simply add my core values into the mix. For example, if I'm working on a problem with my business, rather than just asking, will this make me money, I can ask, is this in alignment with my values, and only then will this make me money. If I say no to either, then I look for another option. The idea behind this method is that if we live and work in alignment with our values, then we're more likely to live a life we are proud of rather than the one we regret. Every decision is made within some type of constraint. Maybe it's how much knowledge you have. Maybe it's how much money you have. Maybe it's how many resources you have. Why not what values you have? Making better choices is often a matter of choosing better constraints. By limiting your options to those that fit your values, you are taking an important step to ensuring that your behavior matches your beliefs. Plus, constraints will boost your creativity. Know your principles and you can choose your methods. Now, how to put this into practice? Most people never take the time to think about their values, write them down, and clarify them. Maybe it sounds too simple or unnecessary, but you should do that. The bottom line is, if you never sit down to think about your values, then you'll be more likely to make decisions based on whatever information is in front of you at the time, and that can be a recipe for regret down the road. If you don't know what you stand for and where you're headed, then it's far too easy to get off course, to waste your time doing something you don't need to be doing, or to make an exception that leads you down a dangerous path. So let your values drive your decisions. Alright Kings, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please help me make better videos by sharing your thoughts and ideas down in the comments below. Thanks.